Hi, my name is Brooke with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. You're probably thinking, what is the purpose of this video? A lot of times business owners are too busy running the day-to-day business. They don't really have time to worry about marketing or figuring out how to grow their business. Um, I found your company by looking at fencing in Topeka, and I noticed that you did not have a website linked in your GMB. So after doing a little bit more research into that, I found it on your Facebook, but it is not linked in there, and that could help you with some customers starting at that point. So, but that is not included in what I'm going to talk about in this video. If by the end of this video you decide that I have a lot to offer your company, feel free to reach out and we can schedule a short phone call to see if we are a good fit. And hopefully I can help you grow your business even more. So the three things that we are going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. These three things will optimize your website for Google. It will enhance your platform to convert more customers, and it will get more traffic to your website. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. That is everything that you see on your page. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. Google prefers at least 1,500 words on your website. What they do is they have web crawling bots and they 24/7 they gather all this information and then they use it to determine where to rank you on Google. Whenever you have keywords, they want your keywords to be sprinkled throughout the content rather than bullet pointed or keyword stuffing. Alrighty, so the next thing we're going to talk about is citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You will find these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages. The more you have, the better. So 95% of the time when someone needs a service these days, they are going to Google fencing companies in Topeka, Kansas. The first thing that pops up usually is the Google guaranteed ads. They're the ones with the green check mark next to it. It is a higher auditing process, so it's harder to get, but it increases the trust for customers. It's Google um, promoting you with their word along with it rather than you just paying to be at the top with the regular Google ads. Then there is the Google My Business page or Google Business Pack. 30% of your business should be coming from here. I see that you're first, but you're missing out on having your website ranked up here. So 30% of your business should come from the GMB. The remaining 70% should come from the organic listing. So I have a web crawling tool that will show me what's going on under the hood of your website. Um, this is called Ahrefs. It is a tool that I have to pay for, but it will give us a fairly accurate idea of what your website is doing for you. Your website isn't just to represent your company or to look pretty. We want it to do something. You want your website to bring you in more customers. So that's what we're going to look at here. Um, this is where backlinks come in. Backlink, you can consider it to be a popularity contest. Essentially, it's other websites referencing your website for business. Not all backlinks are created equal. They must be relevant to your profession and high in power. Um, so here you can see the power rating and the trust rating for yours. You have 16 keywords that you're being found for on your website. That is generating 27 people to your website each month. Looking at the backlinks here, it looks like it's just fair quality backlinks. They're not very high powered, so it's not going to bring much authority to your website and get you ranked higher on Google. Now, before you go and add a whole bunch of backlinks without more content, those backlinks are useless. And the same with the content. Without um, backlinks, the content is useless. So those two go hand in hand. Um, Here we have the number one. They are ranking at the top right here in the organic, and they have a, a sponsored ad here. They have an ad in the GMB, and they're number one in here. So whenever you get citations, you don't just want to stop at how many Kansas Fencing has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or even 100 to really dominate them on the GMB. The first three spots are just as good. But if you want to be number one, you're going to have to get them at least by 50. Most likely, you're going to have to get 100 more citations for your company. All right, so Kansas Fence has 488 keywords and they're getting 276 people on their website each month. Why does it matter that we know how many people are going to their website? 30% of those people are going to be converted into real leads. Alrighty. So it's similar to buying from Angie's List. Instead of you purchasing a lead, then you have to compete for that lead because Angie sold that same lead to two or three more competitors in your area. Whenever you invest in your website, you are generating your own leads, so they are almost guaranteed as long as you convert that sale, they are exclusive to your business. Alrighty, then we have Aspen Fence Co. A fair amount of information up here, not very much. They are being found for 16 keywords and they are getting 76 people on their website each month. Again, they are not getting very high quality leads, so more than likely, the quality of their keywords are buyer intent and they are getting them a lot more information on their website. Okay, so to summarize content, citations, and backlinks, you can do all of this stuff yourself. You can do them all for free. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And thanks for watching the video.